How bright is the light, what a beautiful sight. Vibrant colors of orange, red, yellow, and white. A new day has begun, it's no longer night. The sunlight travels through the atmosphere just right. Have you ever witnessed a sunrise? Did it leave you feeling energized? Watching a sunrise can boost our mood. By producing serotonin, happiness is accrued. Reducing stress, inflammation, and depression, it's important to have a good sunrise session. Filling us with anticipation for the start of a new day, sunrises symbolize new beginnings are underway.